So I have some questions for you. Do you have 10 minutes? If you do, today I wanted to talk about 10 of my most favorite YouTube channels. With each of these channels, I have found value in each of them, and it has helped me to be a better crocheter. And I hope that if you decide to follow them, that they can inspire you to be a better crocheter as well. What is cool about each and every one of these 10 channels that I'm going to talk about is all of them have really good social media platforms. So they're on YouTube, they are on Instagram. So there is no particular order. The first one that I'm going to talk about is Cameron's Cute Creations. She is very enthusiastic and I love her sweet personality. She's just very energetic and fun to watch. She shares a variety of different things on her channel. Cameron actually encouraged me to do markets. I'd never done one before, and I did my first 2 solo markets last year after I finished up with my chemo, and that was all because of Cameron. She had a video on how to design your own business card. I really enjoy her market videos, her market prep videos, also her videos on, she has tutorials, she also has patterns that are on her website that she's created that tracks your business to know how to price your items, and she has little blurbs like that on her YouTube video. Her Instagram is super fun because on Tuesdays she has a question and answer, and then Wednesday she has Weave In Wednesday. So I know we were talking about YouTube videos, but I really like Cameron because she covers all the things, and I really felt like it's a lot of value for her channel. She gives up a lot. Elise Rose Crochet. I really like her. She is so fun, and she has been doing her channel for quite a long time. She's very inspirational. I love the fact that she films in her basement. She has a little cubby. She has some step-by-step tutorials that are beginner friendly, intermediate, and advanced. She also teaches you how to knit. I still haven't learned how to do that yet, or refreshed my memory on how to knit yet, but she is very inspiring. She actually encouraged me to start writing my own patterns, and so that's what I got from her. She inspired me to do that. She has vlogs and personal stories that are really fun to interact. She also has really good crafting advice. I've learned a lot from her, and she is actually really close to Premier headquarters, so she's like in North Carolina or something like that, which is really cool. So Cameron's Cute Creations is in Washington State, which is super fun. Her content is about helping others to improve on their crafting ability. So it's very doable. I really like her channel because she makes it feel like, you know, wherever you're at, you're totally okay. And that's what I get from her. Very fun. I enjoy her so much. Daisy Farm Crafts. Their channel is so chock-a-block full. I know I've never used that word before. I think I got that from the Crocodile Hunter. Anyway, so full of so many different patterns and how to do different crochet stitches. So if you are wanting to learn how to do different stitches and you're not sure, they are full. And so it's her and her daughter, Tiffany and her daughter, and they share different patterns. Tiffany's sister actually adds to their blog with different patterns as well. And I know that they design for inspirations. A lot of their patterns can be found over there, but they have very simple, and they also have intermediate patterns on clothing and blankets and beanies and scarves and all those different things. I have made so many of their patterns. They're easy to follow. And if you have a question, I love how she explains things because she slows it all down. Seems very patient. I think the thing that inspired me from the Daisy Farm Crafts is to make blankets for other people. And the cool thing about them is that they're local to me. I actually saw one of the daughters that's usually a model at the gym, and I ran up to her and kind of whispered in her ear, and I said, I know you from Daisy Farm Crafts, and she thought that was really fun. So Daisy Farm Crafts, if you don't follow them, you should. And they answer questions, and just amazing. and Stitch. Love and Stitch has a variety of different items, a lot of different things on her channel, including step-by-step tutorials, original pattern demonstration, yarn review, and her patterns are really cool. Now, she inspired me to try tapestry crochet, and there was a time where I made several items of tapestry crochet, which I will put up on the screen so you can see. I know that her patterns are quick and easy to follow. So if you don't follow Love and Stitch YouTube and you would like to try tapestry crochet, it's super simple. It's like single crochet and really easy. Give Love and Stitch a follow. So Brianna K Designs is a fantastic YouTube channel. All of these are fantastic YouTube channels. She has crochet, knit, pattern, and creative different projects that you can use with knitting and crochet. So there's so many varieties of patterns that she has. So her description of her tutorials, her step-by-step tutorials, are really easy to follow. There's also written patterns that go along with her tutorials, and those are usually on her website. What's really fun is that she has seasonal projects. Brianna K Designs, I was inspired to start making things to wear, things for other people. I don't hardly ever make anything for myself, but I do make things for other people. So her channel inspired me to start making garments or clothes for other people. Naughty crawl, not naughty, naughty crawl crochet. Now, she is someone that likes to be out on the ocean. I believe that she is in Canada, but she is like, I like to call her the queen of the granny square. She makes the most beautiful blankets, has projects and free patterns for pillows, and can show you a few things that I have made of hers that I just really, really love. She has detailed instruction video. What I like about her designs is that they're very modern. They're not so like 70s feel to them. It's like granny square with a modern twist to it. That's why I like it. And the reason why her name is that, Naughty Crawl, she is a mariner. So she likes to be on the water. She likes to sail. So I thought that was really cool. I'd like to hear the backstories of Rose and Lily Crochet is the name, also known as Rose and Lily Amigurumi. They've been around for quite a while and have several amazing tutorials. I crocheted these turtles. Those were free step-by-step tutorials that were on their website. And that's actually, those are the first turtles I ever made, and they are amazing. And since then, they've added more videos of how to crochet amigurumi. They also have creative ideas and seasonal project. So what I like about it is it provides like fresh ideas on different things. I like to be inspired, and this channel actually inspires me to create and make different things for the season. What I like about their tutorials is there's not a lot of talking. They will show you on the screen what they're doing, and then they'll have the written pattern up on the screen, which is really awesome. So that means you can stop it and then start it when you're ready to go. If you don't follow Rose and Lily Crochet, you should give them a follow. MJ's Off the Hook Designs. Again, lots of crochet and knitting opportunities. So if you are a knitter as well, or just a crocheter, this channel is amazing. There are project tutorials, step-by-step tutorials. I sound like a broken record, but I love these channels that give you an opportunity to create. What's fun is that she has things to wear. So there's a sweater pattern, and there's also a cardigan that she has a tutorial for. A lot of free patterns, which I am so impressed with these designers that spend hours and hours designing things and then offer it for free. Also, the skill level of the things that are offered are, you know, there's beginners, there's intermediate, and advanced. And if you want to brave and try something new, this is a great channel for that, because there's lots of different opportunities to grow in your crocheting or knitting. The more that you do it, the better that you get. And Jan Crochet. Now she is based in England, which, hello, who doesn't like a really good accent, first off? But her channel has some step-by-step tutorials, granny square motifs, granny square items, and seasonal projects. There's also crochet along, so they're called CALs. So it's C-A-L, crochet along. So what they'll do is they will release certain things like for a week. Okay, you do this and you work on it for a week, and we all work on it together, and there's a community where people can communicate back and forth how it's going, sharing their work, and it's pretty cool that they have that. And there's currently one running now, so if you're interested in following along on her crochet along, it's really fun. I'm actually working on something right now that I'm excited about. It'll be for my grandson for Christmas. So her channel is a new one to me. Really like the way that she explains things, and she has her website where she has the written instructions, but she also has versions like, so there's a tutorial for the one that I'm working on. It has a smaller version of it, but it's easy enough to follow to figure out the difference. So I can follow along on the video and then follow along in the written pattern and know that I'm okay. They're also, with all of these patterns, if they have a free version of it on YouTube, they usually have a free version on their website or a paid version that they sell either on their websites or on Etsy. So I really like Hand Jan Crochet, super fun. She talks about how to use color and all those different things, and she was a super helpful resource in understanding what goes together and what doesn't go together color-wise. Crochet by Jenna. She is so cute. She is probably the queen of turtles. She makes human size, she makes jumbo, she makes all different sorts of turtles, but she has patterns for that. She actually inspired me to start my YouTube channel, and because she was very knowledgeable about that, she's very transparent about what she makes. She also talks about her success on Etsy and how we can be successful as crocheters as well. She makes you feel like her, and also Cameron from Cameron's Cute Creation always makes you feel like there's room enough for everybody. And that's true. YouTube, there's room enough for everybody. She sells mostly online, and she shares her business knowledge there. She shares tips and ideas on how to be successful in your crochet business. She has strategies for running your own crochet. I know today's video was super quick, but it was super fun for me to share with you the people that inspire me, those things with you. If you like the content of my channel, please consider liking and subscribing. It actually helps my channel to grow. Kind of ideas or whatever. That was really weird. I don't even know why I said that.